Simplify editing with Find and Replace feature on Mac. Notes, Pages, and Numbers. Launch the application you need to use, Notes, Pages, or Numbers, and navigate to the specific document or note where the text modification is required. Select Edit from the menu bar, hover over Find, and then choose either Find or Find and Replace. In the Find field, input the term you wish to search for. Click the small arrow next to the search icon for more refined search options. Enter the replacement text in the following field. Leaving the Replace field empty and proceeding will remove the found terms from your document. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Google Docs. Access Google Docs through your browser. To initiate the search process, press the Command and F key combination. This action opens the Find prompt. Select the three dots icon within the Find prompt to expand the Find and Replace feature. Input the term you wish to search for and the term you want to replace it with. Accessing Find and Replace in various word processing applications. The Find and Replace feature is conveniently located within the Edit menu for most word processing applications. You can also typically activate the Find function by pressing Command+F. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.